So, you're welcome back once again. I still remember my humble self, MLS Jonah Josiah. Yes, we are here to continue from where we stop on malaria infections. Okay, we all know that these malaria infections, a whole lot of people out there are suffering from these malaria infections. About how many millions are dying of these malaria infections because they know a little knowledge about these infections and how fatal it is to a human. So now let's look at the different species of this malaria. How are they transmitted and how are these malaria caused? You understand? Now, the malaria infection is known as plasmodiasis. The disease form is known as plasmodiasis. And this malaria is called plasmodium. You understand? It's called plasmodium. Now, we are now looking at this different species of this plasmodium. The malaria is the disease caused by this plasmodium. Sorry. Okay? The malaria is not the plasmodium. Sorry. The plasmodium are the parasites. The disease that is caused by this parasite is known as the malaria or plasmodiasis. Now, we are here to see the different species of this plasmodium, and how are they transmitted from one vector to another, and how can they cause this disease. Now, we have four major different species of malaria, but lately they discover another one, make it 5 different species of this plasmodium. The first one we have is Plasmodium falciparum. It's Plasmodium falciparum, and this Plasmodium falciparum is the worst of them, or among the 5 species of this plasmodium. Is very, very deadly. Is the one responsible for cerebral malaria, the one that can cause mental imbalance, mental issues. Discover that somebody will be talking out of line. You understand? Most people will think as, okay, this one is village. No, it's not everything that is village people. It's not everything that is caused by village people, by witchcrafts. Sometimes all these issues that we are facing is medical issues that need a medical attention, that needs to be diagnosed by a trained medical practitioner. Cerebral malaria can cause someone